Hi guys, how are you? Long time no see, and I'm back. So you can see how I'm looking. These are my wig lines. So today I want us to do a wig installation for the first time. Have you ever seen me on a wig? Yeah, a pixie wig. So today I'll be doing a simple wig installation, and I hope you enjoy. And let's do this, guys. So I'm gonna start by laying my edges before applying the glue, and I'm not gonna wear the wig cap because it normally makes me so uncomfortable, and since the wig is mine, so I'm not sharing it with anybody. So I'll be cleaning it, I wash it, and I wear it. So I feel more comfortable wearing it like that. So I'll just go ahead and put it on. We lay this, we put on glue, and then we put on our wig. Let's do this. So I'm gonna use my gel to do this. If you have wax, you can also use wax. So we lay this, and my hair is normally so soft. I don't even know whether it's gonna cooperate like that. So that when we apply the glue, we are not gonna apply it on our hair, and then so that we don't damage our hairline when it comes to removing the wig and the glue. So we want to maintain our hairline. So we push it back. And I did these round lines because I normally wear pixie wigs. So, and they are more comfortable. They work more on such lines. Yeah. So you cannot do the back to school lines when you're doing a pixie wig. So we do that, and I hope this is gonna be easy. So we'll leave it, and we're gonna be back ready to install. So guys, before anything else, this is my wig. I had put the flex rods so that he can have that look, the curly look, and I hope it's gonna look amazing. Okay, so I didn't want to use, though I don't have the hot comb, I do want to use heat on this here because this is the one I want to keep trying, working on it until I make everything perfect. So I don't want to use a lot of heat. I want it to maintain it like it's more of a natural hair, so that it's not gonna go weak quickly. And by that, I'm gonna learn. I will have learned from practicing, right? So I want to keep practicing with this, and then so that I can advance. All right, that is my main game. So guys, so this is almost over, but this is what I'm gonna use. Before I install my wig, I'm gonna make sure my hair is well moisturized so that it's not gonna be itchy. So I want to make sure it's well moisturized and it's not gonna dehydrate. I don't want to scratch my head, so I moisturize it. I make sure everything is nice, and I hope you're not hearing the noise from outside. There is like construction going on, and then there is a lot of kids outside. I'm just hoping it's not like too loud for you guys to hear. So we're done with that. The next step will be to install the wig. We're gonna mark where we want the wig to be, and then we install it. So guys, I'm gonna use my eye pencil, the brown one. I will line with it and then we put glue on my hair. So before everything else, let me just put on my wig. Put on my wig. So it's like that. So you wanna pull it forward so that you can see where you want it to reach, okay? And then you do the lines. So the last time I installed it, it was not like I think I do. So this is where I want it to reach. So we're just gonna work with this so that we can know where to put the glue. We don't want the glue to be all over the face. So alright, so let me just remove it so that you can see what I'm saying. Put it on. So this is what I'm saying. This is where we're gonna put the glue. You see, we follow that like that. So I'm working with this ghost bond. Yeah, this is the glue I'm using. So you're gonna work with this and then make sure you don't use it immediately. Yeah, stick the glue immediately. You wanna make the glue, wait for the glue to be tacky so that it can hold your wig. So this is like my first time working with the glue wig. I've not been using glue wig. Now let's see what we get. What we get from this. So we spread it, we spread it like that so that it's not gonna be at this, it's gonna spread and then the surface of the wig is gonna stick at least on the whole surface. We add some more this side. It's already tacky, but we give it some time. What is happening? Ooh. Ooh. No. I know that someone who is gonna ask whether the glue will come out. Yeah, guys, yes, of course. It's gonna come out. So what you do when you want to remove the wig, you just use your sprayer. You spray around this part with some water before removing the wig. So don't use force when it comes to removing the wig. Be soft. This part. Yeah. I want it like that. Tacky, tacky, tacky. You see? Look at that. Yeah. What's happening here? So I want to try a side part, and I don't know whether it's gonna work. My seat is making a lot of noise. So we do a side part, guys. Let's do this. Do these other side and see. First, hold it with this one so that wherever it's gonna remain, we stick it. We hold it, and then we remove these rods. So guys, if you don't know how to put curls, you can use the rods. If you don't have the, look at that, you can just use the, what are they called, these rods, flex rods. Let me have my leave-in conditioner treatment. Yeah, when I remove this, I can add the, so I'm using this leave-in conditioner treatment, so that the hair can be moisturized and still remain soft. It's even soft to comb it. Okay, so if you don't know how to, if your hair is detangled, you can use your conditioner or the leave-in to detangle it. To detangle, so we remove this. You see how defined the curls are? I wish I had shown you the before and now. The before me putting the rods and now. This hair is not like bulky. It's very, it does not have like a lot of hair. Okay, look at that, guys. Look at the curls. Look at the curls. Next one. Very nice. So maybe I will give you a video on how I do the rods, how I wash the hair, and how I come to put the rods and all that. Okay, one day I'll do that. So if you want me to do that video, you can comment in the comment section. You can tell me, go ahead, and I'll give you that video slowly by slowly. So for now, let's use this treatment. If you have mousse, you can go ahead and use mousse. Whatever works for you. Yeah. You can see how cute the cars are looking. So guys, I went and I went. So this is the final look of my hair. You can see the curls. I have not done anything apart from what we did together. So this is me after makeup and I love the look. Look at this. I love the curls. The hair feels so soft. So what I can recommend you guys, I used conditioner, hair conditioner. You know, it normally softens the hair, and then that's what I was using before I applied the flex rods. So I did the flex rods after applying the conditioner, and then after removing the flex rods, I have just applied this leave-in treatment, this one, nothing else, and some of these, yeah, some of these, yeah. This one gives you a shiny look, so you can try this, guys. Very little, use little, and then you go with some heat. Oh, like I'm using my blow dryer. Nice, very nice, guys. So that's what I have used for my hair. Okay, so what I'm remaining with is styling the hair. I'm gonna look for amazing styles. So for today, they're gonna see the waves, like that. Okay, so today this is the look. I don't know how you see this. Oh my god, look at my edges. Oh my god. Yeah, what's happening? But I love the hair. Very nice, very cutesy. So I'll be rocking these in different styles. But for today, guys, this is what I have for you guys. Look at that. Look how bouncy the hair looks. Soft, well knit, well done, smooth. I love it. So of course, when you're wearing your wig, you need makeup on, and that's what I did my look. And I hope you would love this video, guys. I hope to see you during my next video. Bye.